Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International, Bishop Council Political Arm, present 18th Annual Crusade Prayer for Lagos and Nigeria, 2022, Prayer for BOLA Ahmed Tinubu and Senator Kashim Shettima for 2023 elections, Prayer for Governor Babajide Sanwo and Dr. Obafemi Hamzat for re-election and announcement, declaration of Cardinal Dr. James Omo-lar-jah Odunmbaku as President General of Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners, political arm of Nigeria. Tagged Able God. Ephesians chapter 3 verse 20. Date, November 11, 2022. Venue, Agege Stadium, Lagos, Nigeria. Under the able leadership of Cardinal Dr. James Omo-lar-jah Odunmbaku MFR. President General Christ Ambassador Soul Winners International Political Arm. Archbishop Joseph Ihindaro, Chairman, Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International Bishop Council Political Arm. Bishop Karyade Williams, Director General. Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International, Bishop Council Political Arm. Bishop, Professor Rufus Ogunchawase Vice Chairman Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International Bishops Council Political Arm. Director General, Mother in Israel, Olasunmi Akindele Odunmbaku, Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners, International Bishops Council. Women Mobilization. Honorable Justice Oluwaseun Shogberla. Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International Bishops Council Political Arm. Deputy Director General, Women Mobilization. Senior Pastor Dr. Silas Farlokun Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International Bishops Council, Director International Representative North and South, America, Houston, Texas, USA. Pastor Supo Ajayi Secretary Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International. John Uche, S.A. Ndigbo, Lagos State. Aosa Sunday President General Igbo Community Lagos State. The political arm of Christ Ambassadors Soul Winners International Bishop Council, invites all men of God with integrity, bishops, evangelists, itinerant pastors, prophets, prophetess, pastors, to the massive rally, prayer and praise session in support of TinubuShettima 2023 presidential election. Ambassador, Elder Samuel Farjemison Director Media, Integrity Ministers International Ministry, Announcer.